Good morning. My name is Ramesh HG, working as assistant professor of mathematics, Government First Grade College, Tiptur. Today I am going to explain linear differential equation and reducible to linear differential equations. So we know the what is linear differential equation and working rule for linear differential equations. So a linear differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. And come to working rule. So first to express the given equation as dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. And the second step is find the integrating factor, and which is given by integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral of p dx. And third step is solution of the given differential equation is linear differential equation is y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. These are the three steps involved in working rule. So continued problems. Solve the equation sin x into cos x into dy by dx minus y is equal to sin x. You observe that this is not in the proper form. That is, this is not in the linear differential equation format. So there is a term sin x into cos x behind dy by dx. So we have to divide the given equation by sin x into cos x on both sides. So this becomes dy by dx minus 1 by sin x into cos x into y is equal to sin x cancel, so it is 1 by cos x. So the given equation reduces to dy by dx minus 1 by sin x into cos x into y is equal to 1 by cos x, as sin x get cancelled. So here this is in the linear differential equation format. Now you compare this equation with standard format. On comparing, we get p is equal to minus 1 by sin x into cos x and q is equal to 1 by cos x. So after comparing the equation with standard format, so we get the values of p and q. So p is equal to minus 1 by sin x into cos x and the value of q is 1 by cos x. Here 1 by cos x is, you may write it as secant x. So these are the values of p and q. Next you find the integrating factor. Integrating factor is given by integral of e to the power of integral of p dx. So before that we have to first find integral of p dx. So integral of p dx is equal to minus integral of 1 by sin x into cos x dx is equal to minus integral of, so here 1 by sin x into cos x can be written as secant square x by tan x. This is formula or simplification, we get same thing. So 1 by sin x into cos x can be written as secant square x by tan x into dx. And the derivative of tan x, that is in the denominator, is secant square x is the numerator. Therefore integration is log of the denominator. So this is equal to minus log of tan x. So integral of p dx is minus log of tan x. So integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral of p dx. This is equal to e to the power of integral of p dx is equal to e to the power of minus log of sin x, or this is equal to e to the power of log of, so 1 by tan x, so minus goes to the power, so 1 by tan x is cot x and e and log cancel, so cot x. So cot x is the integrating factor. Cot x is the integrating factor. Hence we have to write the solution of the given differential equation. So y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into integrating factor is cot x is equal to integral of, so q, what is the q is secant x into integrating factor is cot x dx plus c. Y into cot x is equal to integral of secant x into cot x. So secant x means 1 by cos x, cot x means cos x by sin x. So cos cancel, so we get 1 by sin x. 1 by sin x is cosecant x into dx. So y into cot x is equal to integral of cosecant x into dx. This is equal to y into cot x is equal to, so integration for cosecant x is log of cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Therefore, the solution is y into cot x is equal to log of cosecant x minus cot x plus c. This is the required solution for the given linear differential equation. So solve the equation dy by dx plus 2y into tan x is equal to sin x. Given that y is equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 3. So here we have find two solutions, that is one general solution and another one is particular solution. For that one they have given the condition when x equal to pi by 3, y is equal to 0. So you observe that the given equation dy by dx plus 2 into tan x into y is equal to sin x. This is in the linear differential equation format. So comparing these two equations, comparing this equation with the standard format, we get p is equal to 2 tan x and q is equal to sin x. The value of p is 2 tan x and q is equal to sin x. So after that we have to find a integrating factor. So what is integrating factor is? So integrating factor is e to the power of integral of p dx. So first we have to find the integral of p dx. Integral of p dx is integral of 2 into tan x, 2 into tan x dx. So this is equal to 2 into integration of tan x dx. So 2 into, what is integration of tan x is log of secant x. So 2 comes to the power, so log of secant square x. So integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral of p dx. This is equal to integral of e to the power of integral of p dx is equal to e to the power of log of secant square x. So e and log cancel, it is secant square x. Therefore, integrating factor is equal to secant square x. So in this way we can find the integrating factor. First we have to find the value of p and q, then we have to find integrating factor, and then solution is given by, so y into e to the power of integral of p dx is equal to q into e to the power of integral of p dx plus c. Or we can also write y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into secant square x, integrating factor is secant square x, is equal to integral of q is sin x into integrating factor is secant square x dx plus c. So this implies y into secant square x is equal to integral of, you see that sin x into secant square x. Sin x into secant square x is tan x into secant x, because secant is 1 by cos, or 1 by cos square x. So sin by cos is tan, 1 by cos is secant. So tan x into secant x into dx plus c. So y into secant square x is equal to, so the integration of tan x into secant x is tan x into secant x is secant x plus c, or y is equal to cos x plus c into cosecant y. Y is equal to, you observe that secant square x is 1 by cos square x, 1 by cos square x, and secant x is 1 by cos x. Multiplied throughout by cos square x, we get y is equal to cos x plus c into cos square x. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now you have to find the particular solution. we have to find the particular solution. For this, we have to substitute the value of x equal to pi by 3 and y is equal to 0. So, in equation 1, from equation 1, so y is 0 is equal to cos of pi by 3 plus c into cos square pi by 3. So, cos of pi by 3, cos 60 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus c into 1 by 4. So, c is equal to minus 2. So, the value of c is minus 2. Hence, the solution, hence the particular solution is given by y is equal to cos x minus 2 into cos square x. This is the particular solution of the given differential equation. So, hence we find the general solution and the particular solution of the given differential equation. So, this is about problems about linear differential equation. So, in example 6, so solve the equation dx plus 2xy dy is equal to y into e to the power of minus y square dy. So, you observe that here this equation is not in the form of linear differential equation. If we consider y as a dependent variable, the equation cannot be written in the form. For this reason, here y does not appear in the first degree. So, you write this equation as dx by dy is equal to y into e to the power of minus y square minus 2xy, or dx by dy plus 2y into x is equal to y into e to the power of minus y square. So, you observe the last equation. Dx by dy plus p into x is equal to q. So, this is also a linear differential equation. So, this is in the form of dx by dy plus p into x is equal to q. This is also a linear differential equation. Before that, we studied dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q is the linear differential equation. Similarly, dx by dy plus p into x is equal to q is also a linear differential equation. Here p and q are functions of y. Before that, they are functions of x. In this problem, the p and q are functions of y with x as dependent variable. So, you observe that the value of p is 2y and q is equal to y into e to the power of minus y square. So, here we have a new equation. It is dx by dy plus p into x equal to q, where p and q are functions of y. And here we have find integrating factor, which is given by if is equal to e to the power of integral of p into dy, not dx, it is dy. And solution also given by x into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dy plus c. That is the solution. So, according to this, p is equal to 2y and q is equal to y into e to the power of minus y square. Therefore, integrating factor is e to the power of integral of 2y into dy is equal to e to the power of y square by 2. So, 2 to cancel. So, e to the power of y square is the integrating factor. The general solution is x into, here not y into, it is x into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dy plus c. So, x into e to the power of y square, that is integrating factor, is equal to q is y into e to the power of minus y square into integrating factor is e power y square dy plus c. So, e power y square into e power minus y square becomes e power 0, that is 1. So, remaining is y into dy plus c, or the integration of y is y square by 2 plus c. So, x into e to the power of y square is equal to y square by 2 plus c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. So, we have two formats. One is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. Similarly, dx by dy plus p into x equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. Same type of problem, solve the equation x plus tan y into dx is equal to sin 2y. X plus tan y into dy is equal to sin 2y into dx. The given equation can be written as, so example 7, solve the differential equation x plus tan y into dy is equal to sin 2y dx. So the given equation can be written as dx by dy is equal to x plus tan y divided by sin 2y, or dx by dy minus 1 by sin 2y into x equal to tan y by sin 2y. So this is clearly in the linear differential equation format, dx by dy plus p into x equal to q. So comparing with the standard equation, we have p is equal to minus 1 by sin 2y and q is equal to tan y by sin 2y. Now we have to find the integrating factor. For this we have to find integral of p into dy is equal to integral of p is minus 1 by sin 2y dy. 1 by sin 2y can be written as 1 by 2 into secant square y by tan y. Therefore p becomes integral of p dy becomes minus 1 by 2 into integration of secant square y into secant square y divided by tan y into dy. So on integrating we have log of tan y, because the derivative of tan y is secant square y, it is in the numerator. Therefore integration is log of the denominator. Therefore minus of into log of tan y is the integral of p dy. An integrating factor is given by e to the power of integral of p dx. This is equal to e to the power of minus of log of tan y. On simplification we get 1 by root tan y, or this is root of cot y. Therefore integrating factor is root of cot y. Then the solution of the given differential equation is x into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dy plus c. Therefore x into root of cot y is equal to integral of, so on simplification we get secant square y divided by 2 into root of tan y dy plus c. So this is put x equal to tan y, 1 by 2 root x form. So it is equal to root x on integration. This is equal to root of tan y plus c. Therefore the solution of the given equation is x into root cot y is equal to root of tan y plus c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. So an equation of the form f dash of y into dy by dx plus p into f of y is equal to q. So this is a differential equation which can be reduced into linear differential equation by a suitable substitution. This is a third type of linear differential equation which can be reduced to linear differential equation by a suitable substitution. Here you see this equation f dash of y into dy by dx plus p into f of y is equal to q. Here the coefficient of p is f of y, that is a function of y, and coefficient of dy by dx is f dash of y, that is the derivative of f of y. So in this equation the coefficient of p is function of y and the coefficient of dy by dx is derivative of f of y. Then this equation can be reduced to linear differential equation by the substitution put f of y is equal to v. So if you put f of y is equal to v, then we can reduce this to linear differential equation. So where p and q are functions of x, can be brought to linear differential equation by putting f of y is equal to v. So students are remember this substitution. So you take one problem, solve the differential equation x into dy by dx plus y into log x is equal to x into y into e power x. First you see that this equation is not in the format, so you divide the given equation by y. You divide the given equation by y into x. Given equation, divide the given equation by x into y. X into y. Therefore, the given equation becomes 1 by y into dy by dx, 1 by y into dy by dx plus 1 by x into log y is equal to e power x. So, for the above equation, we have to divide the equation by x into y. So, first term becomes 1 by y into dy by dx plus 1 by x into log y is equal to e power x. So, you observe that the 1 by x, so that is p value here, and e power x, that is q value. So you see that log y is f of y, and its derivative is 1 by y, it is f dash of y. So this equation is in the form of f dash of y into dy by dx plus p into f of y is equal to q. So we get the standard form f dash of y into dy by dx plus p into f of y is equal to q with f of y as here log y, with f of y as log y, and its derivative is 1 by y. So here common substitution is, the substitution is log y is equal to v, or f of y is equal to v. So after differentiation, 1 by y into dy by dx, so log y differentiation is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to dv by dx, where you have to differentiate with respect to x. So log y differentiation is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. So substitute the value of 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to dv by dx in the above equation. So the equation becomes dv by dx plus 1 by x into log y is v, is equal to e power x. So you see that this is a linear differential equation of the format dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So in place of y it is v. So here the value of p is 1 by x, and value of q is e power x. So this is linear differential equation with p as 1 by x and q as e power x. Integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral of p dx. P is 1 by x dx. So this is e to the power of log x, and this is equal to x. E and log cancel, that is equal to x. So integrating factor is equal to x. Then the solution is given by, here you have to write the solution as not y into, it is v into integrating factor. You see the solution, v into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So v into x is equal to integration of x into e power x minus x into e power x dx plus c. V into x equal to, so integration of x into e power x is done by parts. So x into e power x minus e power x plus c. So the value of v is log y. So x log y is equal to x minus 1 into e power x plus c. This is the solution of the given differential equation. So the given equation can be reduced to linear differential equation, and then by substitution f of y is equal to v, we can find the general solution of the given equation. Solve next problem. Solve dy by dx plus 1 by x into sin 2y is equal to x cube into cos square y. X cube into cos square y. So this equation can be converted to the previous format. by dividing throughout by cos square y. Cos square y. Dividing throughout by cos square y. So 1 by cos square y, that is secant square, into dy by dx plus. So this is sin 2y is 2 sin y cos y. You write 2 sin y cos y. And divided by cos square y, cos get cancelled and becomes sin y by cos y, that is tan y. So 2 by x tan y is equal to x cube. So this is in the required form. So here tan y as f of y and its derivative is secant square y as f dash of y. So put f of y is equal to, that is tan y is equal to v. Tan y is equal to v, and after differentiation, tan y is secant square into dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. And substitution becomes, on substitution we get secant square y into dy by dx as dv by dx plus 2 by x into tan y as v is equal to x cube. So this is a linear equation. So this becomes linear equation. You see, dv by dx plus 2 by x is p into v is equal to q is x cube. This is a linear differential equation. And then you find integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral of p dx. E to the power of integral of p is 2 by x dx. This is equal to e to the power of 2 log x is equal to e to the power of log of x square. Log ಮತ್ತು e cancelled, that is equal to x square. Therefore, the solution of the given differential equation is v into x square. Observe that this is not y. V into x square is equal to integral of x square into x cube dx plus c, or v into x square is equal to x to the power of 5 into dx, x square into 5 into dx. So now integrating factor is e to the power of integral of 2 by x dx, e to the power of 2 log x, this is equal to e to the power of log of x square, e and log cancel, x square. Therefore the solution is given by v into x square is equal to integral of x square into x cube dx plus c, or v into x square is equal to x to the power of 6 by 6 plus c, or x square into v is tan y is equal to x to the power of 6 by 6. This is the solution of the given differential equation. So it may last problem. Solve the equation 2y into secant square y square dy by dx plus minus 2 by x plus 1 into tan of y square is equal to x plus 1 whole cube. So here this is in the standard format, because the derivative of tan of y square is secant square y square into 2y into dy by dx. So already it has derivative as a coefficient of dy by dx. Therefore put tan of y square is equal to v and its derivative is 2y secant square y square dy by dx, that is equal to dv by dx. Then the given equation becomes very simple. Dv by dx minus 2 by x plus 1 into 2 by x plus 1 into, it is v is equal to x plus 1 whole cube. This is a linear differential equation. This is a first order linear differential equation. And comparing with the standard equation, we get p is equal to minus 2 by x plus 1 and q is equal to x plus 1 whole cube. Now to find integrating factor, before that integral of p dx is equal to minus integral of 2 by x plus 1 dx, this is equal to minus 2 log of x plus 1, this is equal to log of 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So integrating factor is e to the power of integral of p dx. So e to the power of integral of log of 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So e and log cancel, 1 by 1 plus x square is the integrating factor. So solution of the given differential equation is v into 1 by 1 plus x whole square is equal to integral of x plus 1 whole cube into 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx plus c, or v into 1 by 1 plus x whole square is equal to integral of x plus 1 cancelled, x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square cancelled, so remaining is plus 1. So integration of x is x square by 2, 1 is x plus c. Therefore v is, what is v is tan of y square is equal to 1 plus x square into x square by 2 plus x plus c. This is the solution of the given differential equation. So in this way, some equations, some differential equations can be transformed or converted into linear differential equation, and then by solving some suitable substitution, these are the problems related to linear differential equation. Thank you.